Alright, let's put this thing in. Make sure you don't get any wires pinched down here. It's never a good thing. You'll need your engine mount bolts with a lock washer on them. Just get them started a while. Snug them up, then go back and tighten them up. There you go. Your motor's in. Now we can put on the clutch and the recoil and plug all the wires in. Okay, we got our coolant line here. Pop that on. Goes over there. Go. Make sure this tube is down in the kind of a notch in the frame where it goes. Make sure it's in there, otherwise it'll get pinched off by the engine. You don't want that to happen. Alright, coolant's all in, and our wires are all hooked up. We just gotta put this oil tubing up. Don't forget to put your plastic hose clamp on. We can put our recoil starter on now. Okay, we got our rope threaded through. Let's pull it out. Now for our handle. Just tie a figure-8 knot or something. Just a fairly big knot so don't get sucked through the handle. Stuff that into the little cutout for it. There you go, that's installed. So I'm going to put our top bolt in up here. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but the rope comes down, but then has to go over to get inside the pull start. I'm going to actually, there's holes right beside the existing holes right here. I'm just going to turn that down a little bit so it lines up a little better. See if that works. If it doesn't, then we'll let it how it is now. Okay, so I rotated it one hole, and as you can see, the rope is a lot more straight there and creates less friction. So that's a good thing. So we'll stick with that setting there.